Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello to my lecturers, Sabato, and my classmate. Today, me and my friend Muhammad Afnan, Muhammad Azam, and Muhammad Farhin would like to share our group presentation about technology, which is VR, virtual reality. Virtual reality is a simulated experience that can be similar to or completely different from the real world. Application of virtual reality include entertainment, which is video games and education, medical or military training. Other distinct types of VR style technology include augmented reality and mixed reality, sometimes referred to as extended reality or XR. Standard virtual reality system use either virtual reality headset or multi-projected environments to generate realistic image, sounds, and other sensations that simulate a user's physical presence in a virtual environment. A person using virtual reality equipment is able to look around the artificial world, move around it, and interact with virtual features or items. The effect is commonly created by VR headset consisting of a head-mounted display with a small screen in front of the eyes, but can also be created through specially designed rooms with multiple large screen. Virtual reality typically incorporates auditory and video feedback, but may also allow other type of sensory and force feedback through haptic technology. 65 Evan Sutherland, a computer scientist, presented his vision of the ultimate display. The concept was of a virtual world viewed through an HMD which replicate reality so well that the user will not be able to differentiate it from actual reality. This includes the user being able to interact with objects.
The military in the UK and the US have both adopted the use of virtual reality in their training as it allows them to undertake a huge range of simulation. VR is used in all branches of service: the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, and Coast Guard. In a world where technology is adopted from an early age and children are accustomed to video games and computers, VR proves an effective method of training. VR can transport a trainer into a number of different situations, place, and environment for a range of training purposes. The military use it for flight simulation, battlefield simulation, medic training, vehicle simulation, and virtual boot camp, among other things. VR is completely immersive, visual, and sound-based experience, which can safely replicate dangerous training situations to prepare and train soldiers, without putting them at risk until they are ready for combat.
I want to present about VR in sport. VR is revolutionizing the sports industry for players, coaches, and viewers. Virtual reality can be used by coaches and players to train more efficiently across a range of sports, as they are able to watch and experience certain situations repeatedly and can improve each time. Essentially, is used as a training aid to help measure athletic performance and analysis technique. Some say it can also be used to improve athletes' cognitive abilities when injured, as it allows them to experience gameplay scenarios virtually. Second, we are in mental health. As mentioned briefly before, VR technology has become a primary method for treating post-traumatic stress. Using VR exposure therapy, a person enters a reenactment of a traumatic event in an attempt to come to terms with the event and heal. VR can save organizations time and money and make work more convenient. Workers won't have to travel in order to make decisions and complete projects. For example, architects from across the globe can use virtual reality to evaluate design.
The advantage of VR board is VR can save organization time and money and make work more convenient. Worker won't have to travel in order to make decision and complete project. For example, architects from across the globe can use virtual reality to evaluate design. The disadvantage is while virtual reality can be a great asset for most of the existing field of activity, it can also be a hard disadvantage. The traditional education is based on personal human communication and interpersonal connection. Virtual reality is quite different. It is you and the software and nothing else. This can damage the relationship between students and the overall human communication. The conclusion is these technology are helping people to be more available at working their daily life. In this era, or we can say the world of modern technology, moving forward close to the incredible innovation. There are a lot of things the scientific going to invent that we don't know will be made. In conclusion, technology more helping people and make a day go through easily. Thank you.
That's for our group presentation. Uh, Thanks to all audience for lend your ears. Uh, I hope you enjoy it and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.